because that bottle that they give you is trash.
Tell me how you love. Maybe I can speak language. Tell me how you love.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana. If you are new here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. So today we're going to be doing an Aphogee protein treatment. So the Aphogee protein treatment is, it's a heavy protein treatment. So if you're protein sensitive, this is probably not the product for you. But if you're not, I mean, even if you are, you know, just keep watching anyway, because it's gonna be a great video. So just, you know, just keep watching. It's fine. Do it. Support. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
So anyway, I put mine in a spray bottle. So this is just an old Shea Moisture bottle that I use, the Hold and Shine mist or whatever that I used to use. And so I just put it in here because that bottle that they give you is trash. I mean, no shade, but it really is trash. Like, they should definitely put it in a spray bottle, because this is just, it just doesn't make sense. And I'll be having to, no, it's just too much, okay? Because it's so sticky. It's like really, really sticky. And so, you know what I'm saying? It's so sticky, y'all. Listen, okay? It's so sticky. It'll get on your eyebrows, it'll get on your ears, it'll get on your toes, get on your knees, get on your bank account, get on your inheritance. You know what I'm saying? It gets on everything. That's how sticky it is. So I don't know why they would put it in that bottle, because the bottle that they put it in is like a squeeze, like you're just supposed to squeeze it into your hand. Like, no.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and just section my hair off into 4 sections. And so I'll do 2 sections in the front, and then I will do 2 in the back. And in the back, ooh, what am I doing here? What is occurring here? I don't know what's going on. I don't know. See, this side, it just be acting. But anyway, so I do like one on the top and one on the bottom in the back, because I just find it to be easier for me to do it that way. I double washed my hair because I just want it to be super clean. You want to make sure that your hair is very clean when you start this, because otherwise it won't be able to penetrate like it needs to. And I haven't done a protein treatment in so long. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the ends of my hair. Oops, shoot. And I mean, when I tell y'all this stuff is sticky, my whole arm gonna be sticky. Guaranteed, 100%. So I just spray that in there, okay? Work it in there real good like. And it is important that your hair is still at least damp when you put this on, because otherwise it'll dry really, really fast. And as it dries, it hardens, and you don't want your hair to like be breaking off because, you know, it's hard. Because once it gets hard, you're not supposed to mess with it anymore. So once it's dry, it'll be hard, and then you won't mess with it anymore. So I'm just putting this all up in there, working it through my tresses. Okay, and I put some on the roots too, because roots need the protein too. Know what I'm saying? So we just gonna get all that up in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna speed this part up so y'all can just watch, because I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So here we go. no más, no más, no más. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes, just long enough for the product to dry and harden in my hair, and then I will come back and show you what my hair looks like then. All right, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's super hard, and you see it's not really moving. It ain't moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's rinsed out. I don't have any product at all in my hair. All I did was rinse the product out. I didn't condition it or anything like that. Now I will, but I just want to let you guys see exactly what it looks like without any product as soon as I get finished, because you did see how it looked before. And then you can see how it looks now, the difference. So let's go ahead and show you right. Okay, so if you can see here, my curls are, well, they ain't looking like curls right now because they're dry, but as you can see, my hair is looking more defined now than it was before. Honestly, it feels so much stronger because I had not had a protein in a long time, y'all. A protein, what? I had not had a protein treatment, and so I really was in need of a protein treatment, and I had a little bit of moisture overload, honestly, and so I had to go ahead and get that protein in there, y'all, so my hair can be strong, so it ain't snapping and being too elastic. So that's a sign when your hair is too elastic. That's a sign that you need protein in your hair. Like when you pull your hair out, if you have curly hair and you pull your hair out, it just keeps going and going and going like the Energizer Bunny. Honey, that means it's time for a protein treatment. So I'm gonna go deep condition my hair and live my best life, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you are not subscribed, I don't really understand why. I mean, you need to subscribe because, I mean, how you gonna know all the goodness, the fullness thereof if you are not subscribed? You know, you just gotta do it because, listen, I'm about to be dropping some, I mean, I done already dropped some bombs on you, you know what I'm saying? But I'm for real, I'm about to be dropping some that good, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be dropping some real stuff, y'all, some stuff y'all gonna wanna see. So y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, y'all, cause y'all thinking I'm playing, but ain't nobody playing. I ain't playing with you.